We'll demonstrate half buttonhole stitch. It uses same method as buttonhole wheel stitch, except buttonhole wheel stitch is full circle. This is only half. Let me demonstrate. Come up at lower right here. Then take down at center point. Don't pull thread tight. Leave some thread on fabric. Come up above first line here. When coming up, thread needle through loop. Ensure needle is inside loop. Forming a buttonhole. Return needle to center and take down. Don't pull tight. Leave some thread on fabric. Then come up above second straight line. Thread needle through loop, forming a buttonhole. Also, return needle to center and take down. Come up above third straight line. When stitching, each step must lock buttonhole to form interlocking shape. Coming up must be inside loop. When pulling thread, don't pull stitches too tight. Too tight makes entire buttonhole stitch. Present wrinkled effect. That won't look attractive. We need to maintain balanced tension. Buttonhole loops should be same size. Stitched pattern will be even and neater. Half buttonhole stitch, perfect for lace decoration. Or for stitching leaves and petals. Can create full effects. Take down close to edge. Lock its edge. Then return needle to center and come up. Take down again ahead. Can use needle to adjust slightly. Half buttonhole stitch is complete. Let's see the finished effect.